Okay, our lesson today is removing a single bracket or expanding bracket. If you look at the picture, I have x plus 3, and another x plus 3. So how many x plus 3 do I have? I have 3x plus 3. How do I expand that bracket? I just multiply 3 times x, which will be 3x, and then I multiply 3 times 3. That will be 9. So to expand this bracket, it will be 3x plus 9. Okay, let's see another example. Y minus 2 repeated 5 times. So 5 multiplied by y minus 2. Okay, let's remove the brackets or expand the brackets. 5 multiply y, that will be 5y. 5 multiply negative 2 is negative 10. So the answer is 5y minus 10 or 5y negative 10. Okay, now without a picture. 3 multiplied by b plus 5, or 3 times b plus 5. 3 multiply b, 3b. 3 multiply 5, 15. So 3b plus 15. Example 4. 4 multiply w, 4w. 4 multiply negative 2 is negative 8. So 4w minus 8, or 4w negative 8. Example 5. A multiply b, that is ab. A multiply 5, that's 5a. So the answer is ab plus 5a. Okay, example 6. P multiply w, that's pw. P multiply negative 2, that's negative 2p. Okay, x multiply x, that's x to the power 2, or x squared. X multiply 3, that's 3x. So x power 2 plus 3x. Example 8. 3q multiplied by 3q. How do I multiply this? Multiply the number with the number and the letter with the letter. So 3 multiplied by 3, that's 3 squared, which is 9. Q multiply q, that's q squared. So my answer is 9q squared. Okay, 3q multiplied by 2m. Let's multiply the number with the number. 3 multiply negative 2, that's negative 6. Q multiply m, I just write it qm. So my answer is negative 6qm, or negative 6mq. Okay, example number 9. Y multiply by y minus 1. Again, y multiply y, that is y squared. Y multiply negative 1, that's negative 1y, which I don't write the negative 1, I just write it as negative y. Okay, 7w multiply w minus 3, and multiply 7w by w, and that will be 7w squared. 7w multiply negative 3, that's negative 21w. So I multiply the numbers with the numbers, letter with the letters. If I don't have letters, I just put the letter that I have. Okay, example 11. Example 11. I think it's getting easier now. A multiply y minus 1. A multiply y, I just put them beside each other. A, y. A multiply negative 1, that is negative 1a. I never write 1. So it's negative a. I don't write negative 1a. I just write negative a. Okay, p multiplied by w, pw. P multiplied by negative 6, negative 6p. Example 13. X multiply x, x squared. X multiply 3, that's 3x. Okay, 3q multiplied by 3q, that's 9q squared. And 3 multiplied negative 2 is negative 6mq. Okay, when I have negative sign outside the bracket, I have to be careful because the negative sign changes the sign. So negative 2 times h, that's negative 2h. Negative 2 times positive 5, that is negative 10. Okay, but if I have a negative sign and I have no number, so I will just multiply negative by positive g, that's negative g. Negative multiply negative 9, it will make it positive 9. Okay. Again, negative multiply x, that's negative x. Negative multiply positive y, that's negative y. So what does the negative sign outside do? It changes the signs for the numbers inside the brackets. Okay, negative 5 multiply a is negative 5a. Negative 5 multiply negative 7, that is negative multiply negative is positive. So it will be positive 35. Okay, example 19. Y minus 4 minus y. Okay, you have to be very, very careful with this. Why? Because y will remain as it is, and first I will multiply the negative by the brackets. So y will remain as it is. I will multiply the negative by 4. That will be negative 4. I will multiply the negative with negative y. It will make it positive y. Now I will start collecting the like terms. What are the like terms? Y and y, that's 2y minus 4. So my final answer is 2y minus 4. Okay, let's take another example. 8 plus 2 multiply by h plus 3. We know that we have to do multiplication first. So 8 will be as it is. And then I will multiply the 2 by h. That will give me 2h. And then I will multiply 2 by 3. That will give me 6. So after that, I collect the like terms. What are the like terms? 8 and 6. 8 and 6 is 14. So my answer is 2h plus 14. Okay, another example. We took that example before, so let's skip it. Okay, 7 plus 3 multiplied by 4 minus y. So 7 and then plus 3 multiplied by. I have to do multiplication first. So I have to expand the brackets first. 7 will be as it is. And then 3 multiplied by 4, that's 12. 3 multiplied by negative y, that's negative 3y. Let's collect the like terms. 7 plus 12, that's 19. And 19 minus 3y, because nothing will be added or subtracting from 3y. Now it's getting easier, right? Okay, let's try example 23. 9 will stay as it is because I have to do multiplication first. Negative 3 multiplied by 8, that's negative 24. Negative 3 multiplied by negative y, negative multiply negative will be positive, so that will be 3y. What do I do after that? Collect the like terms. Excellent. So what are the like terms? 9 minus 24. Same sign or different sign? 9 is positive, 24 is negative, so they are different sign. I will subtract. So my answer is negative 15 plus 3y. Okay. So now I have 4 multiplied by m minus 4 multiplied by 3. So 4m minus 12. And then I multiply the subtract with the second bracket. So it will be negative m minus 2. Now let's collect the like terms. I have 4m minus m, that is 3m. Negative 12 and negative 2, that is negative 14. So my final answer is, or the simplest form is, 3m minus 14. Okay, example 25. So the negative sign or the minus sign gives me two different terms. The first term, I'll multiply 7 by y minus 1. The second term, I will multiply 2 by y minus, plus 4. So 7 multiply y, that's 7y. 7 multiply negative 1, that's negative 7. Okay, the second one, negative 2 multiply y, that's negative 2y. Negative 2 multiply 4, that's negative 8. Okay, let's collect the like terms. 7y minus 2y, that's 5y. Negative 7 and negative 8, they are the same sign, so we'll add them and drop the sign, so it will be negative 15. Okay, now example 26. Negative 2 multiply y, that will be negative 2y. Negative 2 multiply negative 1, that will be positive 2. And then I will drop plus 4, collect the like terms, that will be 2y plus 6. Okay, hope that you are enjoying the lesson and everything is good for you. If you have any questions, please refer back to me. Thank you and see you in the next session.